Let me ask you this. If saving money feels impossible, is it really because you don't earn enough or because no one taught you the rules? Studies show that even people earning six figures often feel broke by the end of the month. That's because money isn't just about income, it's about habits. The good news? Anyone at any income level can start building savings with the right system. In this video, I'll share 10 smart money-saving tips for every budget. Practical strategies, backed by research that you can start using today. And trust me, if you stick around, you'll discover how small shifts can lead to big financial freedom. Oh, and before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss the weekly tips that could completely transform your finances. Tip 1 of the smartest things you can do is automate your savings. A Fidelity study found that people who automate save twice as much as those who don't. Why? Because you remove temptation. If $50 automatically moves into your savings account the moment your paycheck arrives, you never feel like you lost the money. It's gone before you can spend it. Start small, maybe 5% of your income. You won't even notice it missing, but over time, the results will surprise you. And that's just the beginning, because the next tip stops you from wasting money without even realizing it. Tip 2: impulse purchases kill savings. Psychologists say shopping often isn't about need, it's about emotion. That's why the 24-hour rule works so well. Before buying something non-essential, wait a full day. Research shows delaying purchases reduces impulse spending by 30%. The urge fades and the money stays in your pocket. The best part? You'll realize most of the things you wanted weren't really necessary. But what about the money that's already slipping away each month without you noticing? That's where the next hack comes in. Tip 3: here's the truth. You can't save what you don't track. A Harvard Business Review study found people who track spending consistently save more. Why? Because awareness changes behavior. Download a free budgeting app like Mint or YNAB, or even use a simple notebook. Write down where every dollar goes. You'll be shocked to see how much disappears on coffee runs, subscriptions, or eating out. Once you see the leaks, it's easier to plug them. And speaking of leaks, there's one area that drains thousands every year, yet most people ignore it. Tip 4: food is one of the biggest budget killers. Studies show meal prepping can save families up to $3,000 a year. Think about it. Every takeout order costs 3 to 4 times more than cooking at home. By planning meals ahead, buying groceries in bulk, and cooking in batches, you cut waste and save money. Plus, you eat healthier. Start simple. Pick 2 days a week to prep meals. You'll save cash, time, and stress. Now let's flip the script, from cutting costs to actually boosting your income with a clever approach. Tip 5: saving has limits, but earning more doesn't. Adding even a small side hustle can supercharge your savings. Think freelance writing, food delivery, or tutoring. According to Bankrate, nearly 39% of U.S. adults already have side hustles, and many make an extra $200, $500 a month. Imagine channeling that directly into your savings account. That's thousands of extra dollars each year, without touching your main paycheck. And once that extra income starts rolling in, the next tip ensures it doesn't slip right through your fingers. Tip 6: banks, apps, and subscriptions often bleed you dry with hidden fees. A NerdWallet report showed Americans lose over $7 billion annually on overdraft fees alone. Review your accounts monthly. Cancel unused subscriptions, switch to fee-free banking, and avoid ATM surcharges. That's money back in your pocket without changing your lifestyle. But let's be real. It's not just about cutting. It's about building habits that stack up over time. Tip 7: here's a simple formula. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt payoff. This method is flexible and proven to work across different income levels. Even if you can't hit 20% right away, start with what you can, 5% or 10%. The act of sticking to a system builds discipline and momentum. Over time, you'll naturally adjust. And here's the kicker. The next tip literally pays you for something you're already doing. Tip 8. If you're already spending, make your money work for you. Cashback credit cards and apps like Rakuten or Honey can save you hundreds a year. But here's the rule. Only use them if you can pay your balance in full. Otherwise, interest wipes out any rewards. Used wisely, it's free money for things you already buy. But even rewards mean nothing if you don't have a safety net. That's why this next one is critical. Tip 9. Life is unpredictable. Car repairs, medical bills, or sudden expenses can derail everything. According to CNBC, 56% of Americans couldn't cover a $1,000 emergency. That's why building a small emergency fund, $500 to start, then growing to 3 to 6 months of expenses, is essential. It protects you from debt and gives peace of mind. And once you have that safety net, the final tip ensures your savings actually grow. Tip 10. Saving money is great, but investing is what builds wealth. Even small amounts, invested consistently, compound into big numbers. For example, if you invest just $200 a month at an average 7% return, you'll have over $240,000 in 30 years. That's the power of compounding. Don't wait until you have more money. Start now, even if it's small. Time in the market beats timing the market. So, there you have it. 10 smart money-saving tips for every budget. Automate your savings. Track your spending, cut fees, meal prep, and invest early. Each tip may feel small on its own, but together they create massive results. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built daily through smarter choices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs money advice. And don't miss my next video, where I'll show you how to build a budget that actually works, even if you've failed before.